Buy the goddamn dips. Alright guys, today we're talking about ARK. It's crazy, this is the first time I'm talking about an ETF on this channel. When I started buying stocks, most of my holdings was ETFs. I wanted to grow a safe portfolio. I wanted money to be put aside to grow over time into that passive income side, like real estate. And I do own real estate as well. That was my approach with stocks. Now, after learning more about stocks, I was like, hey, I could do the same thing as managers are doing with a little bit of due diligence research, read about my own companies, pick my own stocks, and make more money myself rather than paying a management fee. So today we're going to be talking about ARK Investments because ARK Investments is having a dip, guys. ARK Investments is at a dip and a perfect time to buy in. And we're gonna talk about why. Look at ARK Invest, right? On a 5-day chart. On a 1-day chart, yeah, they're down about 0.5%, not a big deal. But on a 5-day chart, they're actually down. They're down about 7%. That's $10 a share. Now, the more expensive stock, the bigger the percentiles, it's more juicier, right? So for you to buy ARK at 10%, it's gonna be your minimum making $10 per share, and that's at a very small scale. When we look at it on a 1 month, when we look at it on a 6-month level, we see it peaked at about $1 at about $156, which is crazy, right? And when we're looking at the charts for today, we see it all over the place. We could definitely see swing traders are in the mix here. We see decent highs, very good lows, highs, lows, and it closes at a low. Again, only dropping about 0.5%, which is cool, right? Why are we talking about ARK Invest today? Why are we talking about ETFs? Guys, let's look a little bit into what ARK is. ARK is an actively managed ETF that seeks long-term growth of capital by investing under normal circumstances, primarily at least 56% of its assets in domestic and foreign equity securities of companies that are relevant to the fund's investment theme of disruptive innovation. If you guys don't know, ARK Investments is managed by Cathie Woods. Cathie Woods is CEO of ARK Investments, which is currently the largest actively managed exchange-traded fund in 2020. Wood was named the best stock picker of 2020 by Bloomberg. Largest actively managed management ETFs. So it's a hot ETF. But the crazy thing is Cathie Wood, the CEO, the founder behind it, is named best stock picker of 2020. So it's managed by a very, very efficient CEO, which always is great for a company. At least for now, until they leave. That being said, guys, it's very important to diversify your portfolio. Right now, people are afraid. People are worrying that the market is going to crash. They don't know what's happening next, and that's fine. It's okay to be fearful. But however, guys, you have to understand the grander scheme. In March of 2020, the midst of the pandemic, everything is down. Everything is crashing. People are scared selling off stocks. If you were to buy any company during the dip, you would have made a large profit depending on how many shares you bought. So when other people are running away, that's a great time for you to buy in. Average it out because you don't want to buy in and it dips more. Take your money, average it out, maybe a couple times, average out when you're going to buy in, and this is going to be a great time to buy into ARK Investments. I personally am not holding ARK Investments. I don't think I'm actively holding any ETFs currently, but at a dip like this, I'm definitely going to buy in. Once it hit back to 155, 160, which it will in due time, or maybe even hold till the end of the year, and it could potentially hit 200. You never know, because Cathie Woods, she's been actively investing in a lot of popular picks this year, so you never know where the stock is going to go. What I strongly recommend and what I'm going to do is buy in at the dip, buying low, holding it out, riding it out until the end of the year or maybe a couple months down the line, making decent gains, closing out, and then reinvest the profits elsewhere. That being said, folks, that's it for this one. It was a quick little video to talk about buying the dips. And if you don't know about ARK Investments, which I'm sure most of you do, it's a great time to buy. And this goes for all companies. Like off the top of my head, it's a great time to buy Apple. It's a great time to buy NEO. It's a great time to buy CCIV. It's a great time. It's actually probably one of the best times to buy Tesla. It's insane, guys. Take advantage of these dips. Take advantage of these fearful situations and buy the goddamn dips. That being said, folks, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed content like this, do make sure you subscribe. It will make my day and hopefully make you a little bit of money. I also have a free Discord community, which is totally free to join down below. We have a giveaway this month. It wasn't for the YouTube fans, but if you join, you'll know a little bit more. That being said, guys, until next time, only invest the money you're willing to lose. It's Umar. Peace.